You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, good start, but that Tesla's so quick. Come on, Mercedes. Drop the Porsche. The BMW has just not done anything. Oh!
Well, it seems the Tesla has won Yianni over to electric power. But by exactly how much did it win the race? Well, the Model S P100D did the standing quarter mile in 10.8 seconds. The AMG GT 4-door took 11.1 seconds, the Porsche Panamera Turbo 11.2 seconds, and the poor BMW M5 competition did it in 12.4 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. All the fossil fuel cars are going to be in third gear, locked in third gear. Tesla's obviously just does what it's going to do. It's electric, no gearbox, no nothing. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh God! The way that just shut off. It's neck and neck between me and the Porsche. Now I'm reeling the Tesla in. I'm going to have him, I'm going to have him, I'm going to have him. I got him, I got him! Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. Now that Tesla weighs about 2.3 tons. This is 2.1. That Tesla weighs 2.2 tons. This is 2.1, and the Porsche is something like 2.4. Here's the cone anyway, let's see what happens. I totally ain't having that, Yianni. You were like stopped halfway down the strip. Come on. I was the only one who played that fairly.
When am I supposed to brake? You said when the front hits the cone, yeah?
Yeah, you were nowhere near the cone. You were like about 10 metres from it.
Okay, you know what? I'll hold my hands up on that one. I'm happy to do that again.
I should think so too. Let's go down and do this again. Let's have another go at this brake test. Everyone play by the rules, please. Otherwise it's disqualification this time and I'll automatically claim the victory because it's my game.
When do you want me to brake as we go through the cone?
Like when your nose is level with the cone. Not before it, not after it, level. It's coming now, there's the cone.
Okay.
Yeah, you didn't cheat that time either, and you won. Damn it!
Thank you. Not bad. I'm actually impressed this brakes as well as it accelerates. Winner, winner. I'm converted to the electric world.
And the thing about that car, and the Porsche actually, when you're braking, you're actually charging at the battery, so you're saving a bit of fuel. So that's good. I'm surprised by the BMW. Really surprised by it, because I actually think that you beat the BMW. Let me just check.
Yes, I beat it.
I'm as bad as that runner, aren't I?
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.